What do you make of the reaction in the markets we're seeing right now? Again, futures lower, but pulling back from, steeper lows earlier right after these attacks.
Well, Frank, I think it's a sign of the level of the reaction. It was, as Israel characterized it, a weak response. It was not an all-out military effort. And I think the market should feel relieved about that. The market has been jittery, which is my word, and very concerned about the escalation of this war between Israel and Iran. And for Israel to have essentially detonated Iran's military action, and now whatever has happened here has not resulted in much destruction, if any, because it has not been reported yet, I think is a very good sign for the world and for the market.
Okay, let's get back to the markets. Tech's been under quite a bit of pressure. It seems like it started when we saw a change in outlook when it came to the Fed rate cuts. But I know you're watching one stock in particular that you now say is probably the most important one in the market. It's Nvidia, technically in correction territory, still up about 70% year to date, but in correction territory and trading lower this morning. These moves in Nvidia, what does it say to you about the broader market?
Well, the market has been following Nvidia more or less. Remember, we were up 27% from late October until April 1st, driven by the AI march, and Nvidia is the leader of that march. Now with Nvidia weakening, and it grew to the third largest market capitalization company in the world, up to over 5% market cap, that's a sign that we're calming down the euphoria. I know it's been phenomenal for Nvidia. It still doesn't trade at a very hefty multiple, but you can't have just forward march without recognizing that the rest of artificial intelligence has not been one of profit making as it is for Nvidia. Nvidia sells the chips. Everyone else buys the chips. And for slowing down here of this stock, it's just a sign that the rest of the market has to regroup.
All right, so much to talk about, but can't leave without getting your WEX word of the day. What is it and why?
Yeah, well, that word is jittery, and I gave it to you yesterday. I mean, today would be another example. The market and investors are waiting to find out, number one, if we have very good earnings. I mean, the market is up, multiples are up. We have to have earnings that justify the price of the stocks.